Yes, dear students, let us start with the next group elements, that is the 17th group elements. So 17th group elements is also known as halogens. In these halogens, the elements are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Astatine is a radioactive element. Okay. So as usual, here also we have to go through the its general properties and occurrence and electronic configuration, atomic radii, ionization enthalpy. Okay. Then some compounds of chlorine, then interhalogen compounds. Okay. So let us go with the general properties here. That is these fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine are known as halogens. They are 17th group elements. Okay. So elements fluorine, atomic number is 9. Its electronic configuration noble gas helium 2s2 2p5. Atomic radii is 64. Ionization enthalpy is 1680 and electronegativity is 4.0. Okay. Then chlorine, it is 17 neon 3s2 3p5. Atomic radii is 99, 1 2 5 6 and 3.2 and so on. When you observe here atomic radii, so in along the period these are having the smallest atomic radii. Halogens are having the least atomic radii. But as usual, when you go down the group, atomic radii increases because of the number of atoms increases, shell also increases. And electronegativity, these are having a high electronegativity, especially fluorine is a high electronegative element in the entire periodic table. Okay. Then when you observe ionization enthalpy of these are very high, because if you observe its electronic configuration, they are left with only one electron. If you take one electron, it becomes a noble gas configuration. So therefore ionization enthalpy of these 17th group elements are high compared to the other group or in the period also. Okay. And astatine is a radioactive element. That is the last element. Astatine is a radioactive element. So now as usual here what is how it occurs in a nature. So fluorine and chlorine are more abundant in the nature. And fluorine exists or occurs in the form of fluorides. That is normally calcium fluoride or a sodium aluminum fluoride, that is a cryolite. And also we can find the fluorine in the form in the river plants, ನದಿಯ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರುವಂಥ ಗಿಡಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀರು ಇರುವಂಥ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ಗಿಡಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್, ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಬೋನ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಎಲುಬುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫ್ಲೋರಿನನ್ನು ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಟೀತ್, ಹಲ್ಲುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಟೀತ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್. Then chlorine, bromine and iodine exist as in the form of chlorides, bromides and iodides, especially in the sea water. Samudrada neernalli we can find that is in the form of a sodium chloride or magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, similarly bromide, sodium iodide. So like that it exists in the form of a chloride, bromide and iodide in the form of in a sea water. And astatine is a radioactive element. So occurrence, fluorine occurs as a fluorides. Example is a fluorospar, that is called as calcium fluoride. Then a cryolite, sodium aluminum fluoride. Then in river water plants we can find that is a fluorine. In bones, teeth of animal contains a fluorine. Then also chlorine, bromine and iodine exist as a chloride, bromide and iodide in a sea water. ಸಮುದ್ರದ ನೀರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ, ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಷಿಯಂ ಕ್ಲೋರೈಡ್ or magnesium chloride, magnesium bromide. sodium iodide, calcium chloride, like this. These are some metals in the form of chloride, bromide and iodide we can find in a seawater. And astatine is a radioactive element. So this is how it occurs in the nature. Okay. Then we have observed here the trend. So trend, atomic radii, electronic configuration, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity. So let us discuss about that now. So electronic configuration. General electronic configuration of these elements is a noble gas NS2 NP5. Okay. Then atomic radii. Halogens have the smallest atomic radii in their respective period. Period means along the period, like this. That is a row wise in the periodic table. So we know in a periodic table atomic radii decreases along the period. So halogens are the last group element, hence its atomic radii is less. Atomic radii increases down the group. Why it increases? Because of the number of shell increases, that is due to atomic number. Next, ionization enthalpy. So they have a little tendency to lose a electron. Hence they are having very high ionization enthalpy. So they are having 7 electrons. So if you observe its electronic configuration, 7 electrons. So instead of giving electron, they prefer to get 1 electron. So to form a octet configuration. One electron kodudkinta electron tagondre adu stable agutte. So therefore ionization enthalpy, we know the definition of ionization enthalpy. It is the amount of energy required to remove the outermost electron from neutral gaseous state. So here instead of removing it, tend to get a 1 electron, so that it forms a octet configuration. Okay. So ionization enthalpy decreases down the group. Next is the electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy means what? To get an electron. So electron gain enthalpy. Halogens have maximum negative electron gain enthalpy. Negative. So negative electron gain enthalpy in the corresponding period. This is due to element contains only 1 electron less than the noble gas configuration. Okay. So therefore it's having a maximum negative electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative down the group. If you go down the group, electron gain enthalpy becomes a lesser value, or become less negative. But electron gain enthalpy of fluorine is less than that of chlorine. So if you observe the value of fluorine and chlorine, electron gain enthalpy for fluorine, it is found to be minus 333. For chlorine, it is a minus 349. Whereas next there is a bromine, it is minus 325. Okay. So it decreases, the value decreases, we have mentioned. But here, see, from here to here, the number, here it is increased, 333, the 349. Next it decreases, so it is a 325, then a 296, like that. So the reason of this is because of the fluorine is having a smaller size, and in case of fluorine, we are having its electronic configuration is a 2s2, that is a 2p5. So 2p orbital electrons, so they are very close to the nucleus, as well as the repulsion will be more. Hence this electron gain enthalpy means what? You want to add 1 electron. Suppose this is a nucleus, these are the orbital, so you want to add 1 more electron. So also already electrons are there, and there is a repulsion, so it will not get electron very easily. Okay. So when you in case of a chlorine, size will be more, so electrons are little far away, so you can add electron. So electron gain enthalpy becomes less negative down the group. But electron gain enthalpy fluorine is less than that of a chlorine. This is because of a small size of fluorine and a strong inter-electronic repulsion in a 2p orbital. Inter-electronic repulsion. Because of this reason, there is a variation we can find. Okay. So next is a electronegativity. Electronegativity means, so that is a, we know in case of a periodic table, they are having a very high electronegativity. Electronegativity decreases down the group, and fluorine is a most electronegative element in the periodic table. Okay. So negative, we know anions, electronegativity. So they are most of they are from a anion. When they react with the other elements which is having a electronegativity less. Okay. So now let us go for some physical properties. So fluorine and chlorine are gases, whereas the bromine is liquid and iodine is a iodine and astatine are a solid. Okay. So physical properties. Fluorine, chlorine are gases, bromine is a liquid, and iodine and astatine are a solid. Okay. And all are colored, so they exist in the form of a colored gas is a gas colored. Fluorine is a yellow colored gas, whereas a chlorine gas is a greenish yellow color, bromine is a red color, and iodine is violet color, astatine is a black color. Okay. So this is how they exist, that is in the form of a gas irbodu, liquid irbodu, solid irbodu. They are colored. Then the melting point and boiling point increases down the group. All these are colored. Melting point and boiling point increases down the group. Okay. So now let us go for its chemical properties. So to understand the chemical property, we must know its electronic configuration as well as how it reacts or what is the oxidation state of these elements. So oxidation state is one of the important character for reactions. So all of the halogen element exhibit a -1 oxidation state. We know what is oxidation state means. Okay. But when you compare with the fluorine, that is a chlorine, bromine, iodine, they can exhibit the oxidation state plus also. That is a +1, +3, +5, +7 oxidation state. So oxidation state and trends in a chemical reactivity. All halogen exhibit a -1 oxidation state. However, chlorine, bromine and iodine exhibit a +1, +3, +5, +7 oxidation state. How? So I will show you that also. Okay. See, general electronic configuration togondaga. So we are having a NS2, NP3. Okay, this is NS, NP, and you are having D also, but they are not involved in the beginning. Okay. But they are having a tendency to jump the electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So minus and this if you give it gives that is a -1. But if it takes one electron, okay, sorry, if it gives one electron, that is a minus. Then here they are having a tendency to form either the gain of electron or a loss of electron. Okay. So it shows a plus oxidation state. So when it gives this in this state, okay, if it gives this electron, that it shows a +1 oxidation state. So +3 yavagagate. So when it is having electronic configuration is so +3. This is a +1 oxidation state irudu. +3 dalli ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, we are having a electronic configuration 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is one electron, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If this electron may jump here, from one electron will jump, so it will jump here. So then what happens? So here they are having a tendency, see now 1, 2 and 3. So 3 electrons are having a tendency to take electrons, okay, or it can give these electrons. So therefore it is a +3 oxidation state ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ +5 ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? +5 so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 1 2 3 4 5, these are a +5. 700, this will jump to here, then all that 7 +7. Okay, so this is how we can explain that is it exhibit +1 +3 +5 and +7 oxidation state. Okay, so +1 +3 +5 +7 oxidation state, because of its these electron can jump from one orbit to other orbit, and it shows that property. Then a higher oxidation state of halogens, that is possible with fluorine and oxygen only. For what? Chlorine, bromine, iodine, they can exhibit these higher oxidation state. ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು? When chlorine, bromine and iodine react with a highly electronegative element, that is a fluorine and oxygen. So then only these will show plus oxidation state. Otherwise these are a negative only, -1 ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Most of the case it is -1. When they react with this either oxygen or fluorine, they show the plus oxidation state. Next, all halogens are highly reactive. The reactivity decreases down the group. Okay, so when you go down the group from fluorine to astatine or iodine, the reactivity decreases, means fluorine is a highly reactive element. Okay, next is chemical properties. Halogens are strong oxidizing agent because they accept electron readily. We know oxidizing agent andre it oxidizes something else, so therefore it is a oxidation reduction. Last year study ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾವು. Okay, so because of they are having accept an electron readily, one electron ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ noble gas configuration ಬರ್ತದೆ, so therefore they are acting as a very good oxidizing agent. Halogen oxidizes halide ions of higher atomic number. So halogens means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine oxidizes halide ions. Halide ions andre ಏನು? Chloride Cl minus, bromide Br minus, iodide I minus. So they are called as ions, halide ions of higher atomic number. Higher atomic number ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ಅದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ. ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ 2xi, x means here halogens, it gives a 2f minus and a x2. ಇದು ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಲೈಡ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಹೈಯರ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಗಿಂತ ಹೈಯರ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಆರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ number. So therefore F2 2xi gives you 2f minus plus x2. Is x, what is x here? X may be either chlorine ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, bromine ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, iodine ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. That is a Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, because it oxidizes a higher atomic number, halide ions of higher atomic number. This is halide ion of higher atomic number. Fluorine ಗಿಂತ higher ಯಾವುದು? Chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, so that is a x means what here? That is Cl, Br and I. So the oxidation property with the example here, that is a bromide ide, higher atomic number is a iodine, so 2I minus, so it gives a 2Br minus and I2. It bromine is a oxidizing agent for a iodide ion. Okay. Oxidizing ability decreases down the group. Okay, as you go from a fluorine to iodine, oxidizing ability decrease ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೈಸಸ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಅದೇ ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ Fluorine oxidizes water to oxygen. Example, fluorine and water is there. It oxidizes water to oxygen. Water is converted into oxygen. That is this acts as a oxidizing agent. It oxidizes. Fluorine oxidizes water to give H plus. This is HF actually, hydrofluoric acid agatte, but it ionizes to give H plus and F minus, oxygen. But iodide can be oxidized by oxygen in a acidic medium. ಅದೇ iodine ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. iodide ions ಇದ್ದಾಗ, so it is in a reverse order. Iodide ions in acidic medium is oxidized by oxygen. ಇದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ iodide ion to form iodine and a water molecule. Okay. So then next reactivity towards a hydrogen. All they react with hydrogen to give hydrogen halide. That is, a chlorine reacts with hydrogen to give HCl, fluorine HF, iodine HI, HBr, like that. So, but the affinity for hydrogen decreases. Affinity means attraction. Attraction towards hydrogen, it decreases from a fluorine to iodine. Okay. Reactivity towards a hydrogen. Reactivity towards a hydrogen. They all react with a hydrogen to give hydrogen halide. But affinity for hydrogen decreases from fluorine to iodine. Means attraction towards hydrogen decreases, fluorine in the iodine. But acidic strength ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Very important here. Acidic strength. So HF is a less acidic strength compared to HCl than HBr. HI means a hydrogen iodide is a more acidic, or a acidic strength is more for hydrogen iodide. Ability, stability decreases. Stable means which is more stable? HF is more stable because here bond dissociation enthalpy. Bond dissociation enthalpy decrease ಆದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Stability decreases from HF to HCl, HBr, HI. This is due to what? Decrease in the bond dissociation enthalpy. This is due to decrease in bond dissociation enthalpy. Okay, so this is about how it reacts with the hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen, it forms a hydrogen halides, the strength and stability. Next is the reactions towards oxygen, or reactivity towards oxygen. So they form oxides with halogens, but most of the oxides are unstable. Oxygen, especially with fluorine, fluorine is highly electronegative compared to oxygen. So therefore the oxides, first oxygen ಬರೀತೇನೋ, then fluorine ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, because of electronegativity of fluorine is more. But for rest of the case, it is first is now oxygen last ಬರೀತೇವೆ. Okay. So fluorine, most of the oxides are unstable. Fluorine forms OF2 and O2F2. Okay. See, OF2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, fluorine is a minus fluorine. Oxygen state is here plus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, fluorine is minus ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಎರಡು fluorine ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here it shows that is a +2. Fluorine is a, oxygen is a +2 state ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, it is a +1. O2F2. Fluorine is -1, so oxygen is a +1 ಆಗಬೇಕು. So fluorine is -1, -2, so oxygen becomes +2. So we know oxygen is always -2 ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, but in this case it is a peroxide, ಇಲ್ಲಿ +1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is a fluoride, but it is a +1 because of electronegativity of fluorine is more. Okay, so this is how these are the main exceptional oxides reaction with the oxygen reaction with the fluorine. But the rest of the element, that is a chlorine, bromine, iodine, they forms oxides with variable oxidation state. We know oxidation state variable ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, +1, +3, +5, +7. Okay, so therefore here chlorine, bromine and iodine forms oxides with a variable number of oxidation state, that is a +1 to plus 7. So chlorine, bromine, iodine forms oxides with a variable number of a oxidation state, that is from plus 1 to plus 7. Let us take with example later on. Okay. Then higher oxides of halogens tend to be more stable than the lower one. Higher oxides of halogens tend to be more stable than the lower one. Oxides with the halogens, that is higher oxides, means what? It is oxidation number more. They are more stable than the lower oxidation state. Bromine oxides are least stable and exist only at a low temperature. The stability bar kadame, immediately decompose agat. Exist only at a lower temperature. Normal temperature kinta kadame idre they will stable. Iodine oxides are insoluble solid and decompose on heating. Iodine oxides are insoluble and they are solid and decompose on heating. So I told you some oxides are with a different oxidation state. Let us take some example here. This is a chlorine oxide. Idella oxidation state of chlorine change ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Okay. So similarly bromine and iodine. So I2O5 is a very good oxidizing agent and hence it is used in the estimation of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ this I2O5 is used. Okay. So this is about how it reacts with oxygen, that is reactivity towards oxygen. Similarly, then reactivity towards metals. Halogen reacts with metals to form a corresponding metal halides. Metals ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ metal halides ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. Example, I have taken magnesium. Magnesium reacts with bromine to give magnesium bromide. Okay. So magnesium is a solid, bromine is a liquid. It gives a magnesium bromide a solid. Okay. So the ionic character. So these are forms of ionic compound. Ionic character of halide decreases in the order when M is a monovalent, means the first group element. Sodium, potassium. Okay. So that first group element. MF means metal fluoride is a ionic character is more compared to metal chloride, metal bromide and a metal iodide. What is M means here? Monovalent means the first group element. Okay. Then halides in higher oxidation state of metal is a more covalent than a lower oxidation state. Halides higher oxidation states are of metal is more covalent than the lower oxidation state. Example, if it forms a halides with a metal with a different oxidation state, ಯಾವುದು ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಹಳ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋವಲೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ SnCl4 SnCl2 ಇದೆ. Here SnCl4 is a stannous is a +4 oxidation state ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು +2 oxidation state. So whichever is having a higher oxidation state, here PbCl4, PbCl2. PbCl4 is a +4 oxidation state. Pb here is a +2 oxidation state. So higher the oxidation state, more covalent compared to this. So means these are more covalent than this. So these are less covalent. These are more covalent. Covalent means what? Sharing of electrons. Our character ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So this is about the reactivity towards a metal. Next is the reactivity of halogens towards other halogen. Halogen reacts with the halogen itself. So that type of compounds are called as interhalogen compounds. Fluorine reacts with chlorine, or bromine reacts with chlorine, or bromine, or fluorine, or iodine. So that form of reaction. So halogens combine among themselves to form number of compounds of type XX-, XX-3, XX-5 and XX-7. Which is X and which is X dash? ಯಾವುದು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು? Where X is a larger in size. Larger in size ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. X dash is a smaller in size. ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್, ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ಅಯೋಡಿನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಯರ್ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೋಮಿನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ CET ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇಂಟರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಲೋಜನ್ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ electronegativity. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ higher electronegativity is the last. Okay, so this is about the, and we are going to study interhalogen compounds once again. Okay. So this is about the general properties of the halogens. In the next class we can go for the anomalous behavior of fluorine and also some compounds of 17th group element.